Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. The tray tables will be unavailable today. They were made with faulty plastics. The passengers before you easily destroyed them. We apologize for the inconvenience.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know, maybe we should get thermoplastics from Sekisui Kydex.
What is Sekisui Kydex?
Well,
Sekisui Kydex is a thermoplastics manufacturing company with locations in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania and Holland, Michigan. Their plastics can be found nearly everywhere you go. The material is also completely recyclable and environmentally friendly. Because of this, it's commonly chosen over its competitors. Sekisui Kydex works hard daily at all of their locations to help their community and make a stronger, safer, and simpler environment.
The ability to be innovative and to make a huge impact on the world with anything that you do. So the plastic that we make here is used in over 34 countries. It's used in planes, trains, tractors. That's what's so cool about manufacturing, making a global impact right in your backyard.
At Sekisui Kydex, raw material goes to the mixer operators. They mix the material with other additives depending on the product being made. Here, the product is a powder. After, the material gets fed into the extrusion line. The extruder continuously spins to create heat and friction. This turns the powder into a plastic-like material. Any color pigments are then added. A machine called a die will then roll and flatten the plastic into a sheet. Next, the plastic gets cut and trimmed to size. After that, the plastic sheets are looked over for any defects or errors. The process ends when the plastic is shipped out to their customers.
A lot of the things we use on a day-to-day basis are manufactured, and without that process, we wouldn't have a lot.
Providing material solutions for safer, stronger material alternatives that are environmentally friendly.
Everywhere you look around you, there are thermoplastics. There's plastics in the clothing that you wear. Your favorite sneakers have pieces of plastic in it. Thermoplastics are used in terms of healthcare. So Kydex thermoplastics are used on MRI machines or medical devices.
wow, these tables are so much better now that they're made from Kydex.
They're so durable. I know, right? I never knew manufacturing was so cool.
What's so cool about manufacturing?